Nice try, lady, or whatever you are. I'm supposed to think you're a nun, but I know you're really some kind of big, ugly demon, so let's have it. Aha! I knew it! Big, ugly demon. Kind of sexy, though, in a weird way.
That killing nuns is bad luck.
Okay, alright. Well, here goes. Oh man, gotta get this thing moving. Dear evil, messed up demon powers of darkness, and unimaginable evil. Please transport me off this awesome corpse pile. I am but a visitor in your strange world, which some would call hellish, but I have to admit, it's kind of badass. Oh, lords of gross leather things. And S&M type wear. You know, you guys really have style. That battle nun, she was hot. Sorry about killing her, but you're evil though, right? So we're cool. I didn't even know I could do that. By your good graces... I meant evil! Evil grace! Ah, son of a...
Don't tell me I've been slaying hot girls this whole time.
The axe. So you've come for it as well.
No, but these guys jumped me and... Hang on. And it was just sitting there, so...
You handle it very naturally.
Yeah, that's kind of strange, isn't it? I've never touched an axe before.
Who are you?
Right shoulder.
We've got to get out of here before he arrives.
Yeah. Wait, before who arrives?
Emperor Diviculus.
Who?
Emperor Diviculus, where are you from?
It's kind of hard to say. I kind of live on the road.
Be assured, you don't want to be here when he arrives.
What's the big deal?
You're slaughtering his personal guard, for one thing.
Aha. All right, they're dead. So, what did you say your name was?
Come on, we have to run.
Yeah, that's a lot of dudes.
Temple of Ormagoden. It's a place of ancient power, but no one knows its true purpose.
What have you done?